Everyone, it's James from the Property Education Company. Louise is currently away, so for our Flash Friday today with our newsletter, I'm going to be hosting once again. So she's off in Italy at the moment, but the team and I are still here working away for you, and I wanted to give you an update on what some of the lenders are doing right now. So we've had a lot of success at the moment currently with lenders like Skip, for example, and how they really help our clients is that is people who can't access the first home buyer scheme or are unable to use that scheme to the fullest advantage because maybe they don't have the deposit. We have found a lot of success with them. And what they allow our clients to do is borrow to a much higher level, inclusive of the fees and things that are a requirement of that product, so that it is not built for everyone. So please ask if this is something that is of interest to you, but it allows people to get into the market at a much higher LVR level for a much more reasonable price rather than paying large lenders mortgage insurance. And you can borrow up to 98% with some of these lenders. So it is quite competitive out there and allows for a lot of opportunities that would be closed otherwise with people unable to access the first home buyer scheme or unable to enter the market that way. Another thing to keep in mind when it comes to what we're currently seeing for a lot of our small business partners is that sometimes cash flow is being a bit hard lately. With a lot of the taxation that's come in, we understand a lot of businesses are hurting it right now, and sometimes having some working capital can really help. We've now got access to a few partners of ours who are assisting us with working capital loans, able to get you some cash flow in. They are short-term solutions. Get some cash in the bank, be able to refinance out once you get yourself up and running again. So if this sounds like something that you might be useful to you, please feel free to reach out to us so we can explore those options as well. I want to throw a few things as well. For across the board, lenders are looking at tightening up on some of their pricing. They're finding a lot of them aren't meeting their standards at the moment and they are outpriced in the market. So we are seeing some competitive pricing come in. Not all these rates are advertised. I know we're getting access to some special rates through some of our relationship partners with the banks. So if this is something that you may be interested in having a talk about your interest rate right now, may be really suitable to come and just pick up the phone, have a chat with us or reach out for an email. We're more than happy to explore your rate and see if there is a better rate for you out there at the moment, if it meets your requirements and your situation. Last but not least, in a couple of weeks, I'm going to be heading to Thailand. So once more, I'm going to be riding for Hands Across the Water. Louise and I both got sponsored children over there. Hands Across the Water is a great charity over there for a lot of the orphanages and the kids that were disadvantaged from the tsunami, as well as ongoing care for a lot of the children who need a bit of support and love from that region. If you would like to support me on the ride, I'm riding 500 kilometers in 5 days. I hope you support me. I've been training really hard for it. I've been riding huge amounts and I'm really looking forward to getting over there. I've raised 5K already. I raised $8,000 last year and I'd really like to get to $10,000 this year. If it's something that you could please support me with, I'd really appreciate it. And I hope to all see you guys cheering me on. I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend, everyone. For the Property Airport, talk to you soon. Bye.